Imerienwe, an autonomous community made up of 4 villages of Umunam, Umoye, Amafo, and Umunakara, as they roll out drums to give honor to one of their illustrious sons, a filmmaker, an actor, and a computer software engineer. Kelechi Eke. He was conferred with the title of Ichie Ihemba of Imerienwe by the traditional ruler of Imerienwe, Eze Augustine Wadegu Ekechi. Also conferred with the chieftaincy title of Adatu Gowan of Imerienwe is Ichie Kelechi Eke's sister, Joy Eke Ihemba, and 2 of his friends for being supportive to his community development projects. Ichie Kelechi Eke expressed his joy over the recognition by his people, noting that the honor calls for more service to his fatherland, as he is the first person to be given the Ichie title in the autonomous community.
So it comes with some responsibility.
God bless others. That's always done. The honor is great. I'm really appreciative that they recognize all these efforts.
To the people of Imerienwe, the honor is in recognition of Ichie Eke's numerous contributions to the growth and development of the community. Some friends and well-wishers described the Ichie title bestowed on Kelechi Eke as a well-deserved.
So he's a wonderful man. He deserved it, and he ought to see what he's doing for his community. But we are away from knowing that that alone shows that the people love him, and he's not the right to
for the past 20 years, I've done a lot of projects together, including the lightening up of Imerienwe, providing light here in Imerienwe. That project's progressing.
The event, which brought together sons and daughters of Imerienwe, also attracted friends and well-wishers of Ichie Kelechi Eke. From Imerienwe in Ngokbala local government area of Imo State, Larita Rizegwin, NTA News.
And that's the end of the news from all of us here in the next few hours. From now, wish you happy new 2024. A very blissful new year. Good night.